Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of SQL50 series. Our today's problem statement is replace employee ID with unique identifier. Now from select keyword we have moved to using join keywords. Let's look at the problem statement now. We have two tables, one is employees and the other one is employee unique. The first table employees has two columns, ID and name of int and varchar data type. ID is primary key and each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee in a company. In the next table, we have employee unique where we have ID and unique ID for each employee. ID comma unique ID is the primary key combination of columns with unique value for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order. The result format should be like this. Now, since we need to find all employee IDs and for them whether there is a unique ID or not, we should still have that in the output. If the unique ID is not present, we should keep it as null. So since we need all employee IDs, then we will use left join, and on our left hand side we will have employees table, which will make sure that all the employee IDs are coming to our final output. And left join will make sure that all values of employee ID is coming through in our final output. And if there is no match in the right table, which is our employee unique, that will automatically give null in place. So we don't have to do anything for that. So this is simply a left join, an example of left join or right join if you put it on the other side. So that's what we are doing here. Select unique ID comma name from employees, left join employee unique, and we are joining on ID. Employees.id equals to employee unique.id. So that's the solution.